Alright, let's walk through this. So, you need to log out of Expedia. Maybe you're on a shared computer or you just want to switch to a different account. Either way, it's a quick process, but it's one of those things where if you don't know exactly where to look, you might end up clicking around for a minute. So, let me show you exactly how to do it. First things first, you're going to need to head over to Expedia's website. Just open up your browser and go to expedia.com. That's the main homepage. Now, if you're already logged in, you're good to go. If you're not, you'll need to sign in first because you can't log out of an account you're not logged into, right? So go ahead and sign in with your email and password or however you usually access your account. Once you're signed in, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name or just a little profile icon, depending on how you set things up. It might be your first name or just a silhouette of a person. Go ahead and click on that. Now, when you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu has a few different options like your account details, your trips, and so on. What you're looking for is right at the bottom of that list. It says Sign Out. Just click that. And here's the really important part. After you click Sign Out, the page will refresh. Now this might take a moment to process, just a second or two while the website confirms everything. Don't just close the tab right away because you want to make sure it worked. Once the page reloads, you'll know you're logged out because the top right corner will change. Instead of your name or profile icon, you'll see buttons that say Sign In or maybe Create Account. That's your confirmation. You are now officially signed out. That's really all there is to it. Just 3 clicks and a moment to refresh. It's a tiny thing, but it's good to know, especially if you're traveling or using a public computer. Now you can close the tab or walk away with peace of mind knowing your account is secure. Thanks for following along and happy travels.